This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials. Now start building. Create a project folder and activate a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, pick a simple goal, a CLI tool or small script. Initialize a Git repo and make your first commit to capture progress. Make sure to write a README with the purpose and run instructions. This sets structure and avoids messy setups later. It also gives you a clear, testable starting point to iterate from. You are now writing the core logic, so break the problem into small, testable functions and modules. Start with the happy path, then add error handling and edge cases. Once a function works, write a PyTest that asserts expected outputs, tests document behavior, and prevent regressions. Make sure to use virtualenv installed packages and update requirements. TXD after installs. As you refactor, run tests frequently, and revise function names for clarity so your code remains readable and maintainable. You're close. Prepare final touches. Add argument parsing, a setup or piproject file, and example commands in README. Once packaged, run end-to-end scenarios to ensure behavior matches expectations. If deployment or runtime errors occur, reproduce the issue locally, run the focus test, and use logging or PDB to trace state. This pinpoints root causes fast. Make sure to bump version, tag the release in Git, and run one final test on a clean environment before announcing your program.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.